Hi, we will be making this craft toolbox pop-up card. It is guaranteed a fun project for all the crafters. Look at these cute mini craft tools. I'm sure you can't wait to begin the project. Let's get into it. The download link is in the description. Once click in, there is one SVG file for Cricut and one Studio3 file for Cameo. There is also a folder called Printed Message. Click in, there are 3 PNG files. They are for printing. The first one is blank. See if you would like to add in your own message. Then we have Let's Get Crafty. The last one is Happy Mother's Day message. It is for all the crafty mamas. Here is a clear look of this message. Choose the one you would like. Here I'm using Let's Get Crafty. Send to print. In the printing window, the most important thing is to keep the scale 100%. Don't change the size at all. I choose 4x6 paper size here. Click black and white only to save ink. I only need the second page. Choose settings according to your preference. The only thing not to change is the size. Don't click the scale to fit. Oh good, then send to print. This is the printout. I reckon it looks pretty good. I use normal document print paper cut into 4x6. We will cut along the trim marks. This is the message will go on the clipboard later. Upload the SVG file to Design Space. Here are all the elements. They are all color-coded. The red parts are for the toolbox. Ungroup here to show you. Here are all the craft tools. There are 2 layers. The white one is the handle and the gray is the metal parts. Tweezers only got 1 layer. 3 small clips for the toolbox. 3 elements for glue gun, clipboard and cutting mat. These are 2 pieces for the scissors handle. It is straightforward. Just need to click Make it. Come to the Prepare pages. All elements are divided by colors. Arrange the elements to save some paper if you prefer. Other than that, just click Continue to cut. The gray color for the tools. Here I use metallic cardstock to give them the metal look. Put small elements in a container. There are many elements. Peel off them carefully and make sure nothing is mixed up with the scraps. 2 pieces for the scissors handle. We have all the cutouts here, including the message we printed. We are going to put all the embellishments together first, so we don't need the toolbox parts yet. Grab these 2 pieces, glue together to make a cutting mat. Apply glue on the grids. Take time here, they are very fine, so take time here. Look at this mini cutting mat, it is way too cute. Find the 3 pieces for the glue gun, including the orange piece. I'm using foam dots here to make it pop. The foam dots are attached to the back of the glue gun. I'm gonna glue the orange handle first. Align the 2 layers. You could also use glue if you don't have foam dots handy. How cute is this? They are such an adorable pair. Alright, carry on. Find these two pieces for the scraper and put them together. Use foam dots or glue. Move on to the scissors. Align the ovals at the handle. There should be a little gap between two handles. Use glue or foam dots to attach together. It is a bit tricky to apply foam tabs around the handle, so take time here. Again, we can always use glue if the foam dots option is not available. The scissors are done. Now we will put the clipboard together. There are the three pieces we need for the clipboard: the clip, the board, and the printed message. If you don't have a printer, here is a white cutout for you to write or draw your own message. We will glue the message on the board. Then apply glue just on the top bit. The bottom looks like this. It is just a way to make it more interesting. I'm gonna use foam dots for the clip. Here we are, a little clipboard. Find the two white rectangles and two black rectangles. There are folding lines on the white pieces. Glue the black pieces at the bottom of the white rectangles. Fold the top parts towards you. Move on to one of the middle layer. We can see the shape of the craft tools: a spatula, tweezers, a hook, and a scoring tool. There are also different shapes at the bottom to help alignment: a circle, a square, and a triangle. Align the top of the spatula and the circle at the bottom. The tweezers only got one extra layer, so skip this part. Same as the hook. Align the top and the square. And the last one, the scoring tool. Glue them on. The tip of the hook is very fine. Take time here. Next, find the handles for the tools. I have put foam dots at the back of the handles, just gonna attach them. Again, we could use glue instead of foam dots here if you prefer. All done. While we are here, see the folding lines on the side? Fold along the lines. Get the other middle layer piece. We could tell from the shape like they are for the scissors and the scraper. Glue the scraper on first. Put the scissors on. Give a gentle tap. Fold on the sides. This is the front piece of the toolbox. See the marks here? They are for position the drawers, not for folding. glue the drawer pieces we have done earlier. This one is a folding line. The two straight lines are for the middle layers to go through, not for folding. Fold here for the glue tab. Fold here backward. Also the glue tab here. Same the other side. The top part, fold it towards you. On the right hand side of the top, there is a mark. Grab this buckle piece, glue it on the other side. When the card finished, the top will be bent down like this. We will add the clipboard on the left hand side later. Dab glue at the bottom bits only. This piece is the back of the toolbox. This mark here is to position the back rectangle piece here. Glue together. Get the rest two buckles. Flip the middle bit up. Fold the top folding lines towards you. Apply the buckles same way as before. Use the mark inside to position the buckles. Apply glue on the bottom half parts. Attach. We have assembled all the elements. How cute are these mini craft tools? Now we are going to put this cutest toolbox together. The cutting mat and the glue gun will attach to the back of the toolbox. You could glue them now, I prefer to leave them to later. First, we glue the side and the back of the toolbox together. These two rectangles are the side panel of the toolbox. Align the sides well. Leave the other end open. We will insert the two middle layers in. Put the craft tool piece through the cutting line at the back. The first layer goes through the first cut line. Flip the tab to the other side to ensure the tab folding lines and the cut lines are aligned properly. Glue to secure. Use the side panel to cover the tabs. Same to the other side. glue the side and the back of the toolbox. This is looking good. The metallic cardstock adds nice touch to the tools. Push down the white handle here. There are 3 embellishments left. The clipboard goes to the front of the box here, the cutting mat and the glue gun go to the back. Position them however you like. I'm gonna use foam dots to attach them. There are foam dots at the back now. For the cutting mat, this corner will be stick out of the toolbox, so no need for foam dots. As for the clipboard, it's better to apply foam dots on the toolbox. Attach them to the back. The back of the glue gun will stick out as well, so no need for glue or foam dots either. Position however you like. I'm going to attach the clipboard here. Use glue or foam dots to attach. Don't glue it too high. We don't want it to cover these cute little tools at the back too much. Here we go, the cutest craft toolbox pop-up card. We all deserve a shiny craft toolbox. I just can't get over how cute these mini tools are. Hope you enjoyed the project. Thank you for watching.